Now, your SkyWarn 13 weather forecast.
Well, lots of outdoor activities going on this afternoon into the evening, such as the U.S. Chainsaw Open Championship as well as Ashley for the Arts. However, this is going to be an afternoon that you're going to want to stay weather aware, especially later on this afternoon into the evening. Now, of course, right now we've had plenty of sunshine through a good portion of the morning and will be the case into the afternoon, but the sun actually doing a job of destabilizing the atmosphere, which increases our chances at seeing some showers and storms pop up later on as a shortwave trough moves in, and well, that'll spark some development of showers and storms, some of which that may turn on the stronger side. Excuse me, there's a bee that tried to get his little bit of TV time. Otherwise, this morning, again, with all that sunshine that we had, there was some cloud cover that did bring us some showers and storms earlier this morning. There's a look at the visible satellite, but you'll notice all of that widespread cloud cover is pushed well off towards our east, and we've just seen a few cumulus clouds developing from time to time. Otherwise, through the afternoon, we'll have a good bit of the sunshine in the early going. This will help warm us up and, again, help destabilize the atmosphere as we are expected to top out mostly into the lower 80s. Here's a look at our Nicolay Bank Skycam over the Chippewa Falls Fairgrounds right now, and I think I just got stung by that bee. Otherwise, we have just a couple cumulus clouds. 76 degrees in Chippewa Falls right now, but you'll notice that that dew point 69 degrees, quite a bit of mugginess in the air right now. Otherwise, temperatures mostly into the upper 70s. We do have a couple lower 80s, 81 right now in Ellsworth. And looking at the winds mainly out of the west between about 5 to 15 miles per hour. But this comes as that cold front is starting to work its way in. That's what's shifting our winds out of the west as opposed to that southerly flow that we had earlier this morning. There's a look at the dew points. Again, pretty muggy for most of us, mid to upper 60s, 70-degree dew point right now in Baldwin. But there's a look at the cold front that's already starting to work its way through. Now, again, we are tracking that shortwave trough that'll bring those chances at those storms developing later on. And here's a better look at Skycast. So we are expecting the sunshine to take us through a good portion of the early afternoon. But going into this evening, right around 7 to 10 o'clock-ish is when we're tracking this threat at some of these storms moving in. Some of these can produce some heavier rates of rainfall, also the possibility of some large hail and damaging winds. Otherwise, there's a look going into tonight, into tomorrow morning, clearing out pretty quickly. May start off tomorrow with some patchy fog, but then going into the afternoon, we'll have a good bit of sunshine, kind of looking similar to yesterday, very comfy as far as temperatures and dew points are concerned. But going into this evening, this is where we have that level 2 risk of severe weather. That's what you see in yellow. And again, this comes as our biggest threats are large hail and damaging winds. The tornadoes on the lower end of the spectrum can't necessarily be ruled out, but again, a very low chance at that. Highs today mostly into the 80s before dipping to the upper 50s later on tonight, and a couple places staying in the lower 60s. Otherwise, tomorrow, very comfortable, but showers and storms return to the forecast going into Sunday and lasting into Monday. Otherwise, we stay pretty seasonable with upper 70s and low 80s taking us into the middle of next week. Now for a Sunshine Award, Kayla Nadell would like to nominate Starbucks Coffee and says, "I'd like to nominate everyone that works at the Starbucks on Claremont Avenue in Eau Claire. They're always so happy and kind no matter the time of day, and they really know how to brighten my day." Now, if you'd like to nominate someone, send us an email or head over to our website at weau.com.
You know, Mike, I was going to ask, or I was going to say that bee was excited to see you, but it looked like it had a beef to settle with you. I mean, when was the last time you saw your friend there?
I think that he had some sort of score to settle because he didn't really like me very much, and maybe he doesn't like the mugginess. I don't know.
I mean, I guess if you want to blame the meteorologist for that too, sure, why not? You know, but I guess you do your best.
Nah, I try.
Well, come back inside. We'll talk to you in a sec, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much.
You bet.